Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Von Duprin number 050589 US4. This is a this is a cover plate for either a fire-rated device or a device that does not have any functionality of either hex key dogging or cylinder dogging, because it does not have a provision at all for that. I'm going to remove it from the packaging here so we can take a closer look at it. This cover is in the US4 or satin brass finish. Of course, these covers are available in all of the finishes that an exit device is available in, or a complementary finish. There is a chart in the manufacturer's price list that indicates what all of the component parts are of the exit device in terms of finish. So if you were to order satin chrome, 626 finish satin chrome, it would tell you what all the parts would be finished in. It's all not satin chrome. Some of it's going to be stainless steel. But this is the cover plate that's going to work in a US4 finish, sold as each. The 99 hallmark is that it is grooved. The 98 is smooth. And that's the only difference between those two devices. It has this spring retaining clip that's here so that when you slide it into place, and of course once the end cap is removed, you'll literally slide this into the channel. It will naturally be cut to length so that it fits within the device width that you're dealing with. It'll be held in securely with that spring clip, but also when the end cap goes on, it will keep it in place as well. There is a link below this video to a document called 98 or 99 Series Manual, and that's helpful because it will allow you to review all of the parts that are available for the 98 and 99 Series exit devices. So what I like to do is pull up that document and let's say, for instance, search for 050589, and you're going to find what they call the fire cover plate. And that does include the 2B part number, which is the cover plate anti-rattle spring. This cover plate anti-rattle spring. This anti-rattle spring for the cover plate can be purchased separately, but you need to have that placed into the unit so that there's no possibility that it actually moves once you slide it in. And I find that they generally don't move at all, but they're doing that obviously to reduce that possibility. As you search that document, you'll find multiple instances of the unit, and they're just showing you the different devices that it is available in, such as rim devices or surface vertical rod, etc. It's probably available in other devices as well. Concealed devices it would be available on, or it is a part for their mortise exit style. It would be available on as well. And this is, again, if you're using a device less the dogging. If you have a dogging feature on your device, meaning it's not fire rated, you would certainly not use this one because you need the hole that would go for the hex key or the preparation for the cylinder. Okay, a couple of basic dimensions. About 1 inch and 7/8 overall height. You know, thickness of the material is going to be about 3/8 or so. You can get an idea of what the profile is of it. Not to say that's brass. The end of it sure does look like it's brass. Actually, it may not be. Let's take a look. Yes, as I suspected, this is not brass. The end of it made me feel, looking at, having seen plenty of items that are extruded aluminum, I did pull up that chart, the finish chart for the 99 series devices, and they're basically telling us when you purchase the US4 device, the cover, which is this, and the mechanism case itself, those are actually going to be anodized. So this is going to be an anodized finish to emulate a satin brass finish. And I thought, well, that doesn't look like it's true satin brass. And kind of when you inspect a little bit closer, you start to detect that the fact that it's really not solid brass. This is aluminum, is what it is. The mechanism, the main square tube, basically the cover. Now, not to say that there are not brass parts on this. The touch bar is. The center case cover certainly is. The end cap will be in a matching finish as well. The point of the matter is it's all not brass. This is, they have different pieces in there. Okay. Might do that for weight and obviously cost as well. This is just really more of a cosmetic piece. Doesn't take any of the action of the device itself. So that parts catalog is handy because it will allow you to review all of the serviceable parts from the device that you're working on. And, it could be that you're looking for more than just a cover plate is the bottom line. And that's why that document is made available there. It's a hallmark of Von Duprin and other Allegion family products that they publish their parts drawings, such as LCN and Schlage and Dormatic and Falcon and others. And the reason that that's important is because it will permit you to continue to get useful service out of the significant investment in exit device hardware. Most certainly Von Duprin material. Probably the best in the business, built to last, and the ability to rebuild it and continue getting useful service out of it is a reason to justify the initial investment of the exit device hardware in the first place, because there are other options that are available to you when you're looking for exit devices. If you have any questions on the Von Duprin 050589 cover in a US4 type finish, less the dogging, or any other Von Duprin product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.